Pinch the tire with one hand and use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Take down the tires. Remove the brake disc adapter. Remove the screws on the shock absorber. Remove the screws of the rear upper swing arm. Take out the damaged rear transmission shaft. Install the new rear transmission shaft. Install the rear upper swing arm. Install the screws. Tighten the screws. Install the shock absorber. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the brake disc adapter. Install the tire. Tighten the screws.